factorize these expressions into a single bracket. So we've got minus 28u plus 21 and minus 12t minus 42. Okay, so the process is similar as before. What we do need to find out to get started is the highest common factor. Okay, the highest common factor of 28 and 21 is 7, so we might as well put 7 down. And then our brackets. Okay, so now it's a simple case of, okay, so what is minus 28 divided by 7? Minus 28 divided by 7 is minus 4, and we don't forget about the u. And then we do positive 21 divided by 7. Positive 21 divided by 7 is positive 3. And so this should be our factorized answer. And what we should do is check. So let's multiply out of our answer. So 7 times negative 4u is negative 28u. And 7 multiplied by positive 3 is positive 21. Is that what we started with? It is. Therefore, we know that this answer must be correct. On this side, we go through the same kind of process. We have to find the highest common factor. So if we go through our times tables, we'll figure out that 12 and 42 both share a 2, both share 3, but they also share 6, and 6 is the biggest common factor, or the greatest common factor, so we put 6, and then we put our brackets. Next step, we say, okay, so what is negative 12 divided by 6? Well, the answer to that is negative 2, and then we add in this variable. And then the second thing we do is negative 42 divided by 6, and the answer is negative 7. Now we just want to check to make sure we're correct. So 6 times negative 2t is negative 12t. And then 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. And that is indeed what we started with. Therefore, for sure, this is the correct solution.